Hi there. Today we'll see what is a custom column, and we'll also see why you need a custom column, and we'll look at a couple of examples that will talk about how to create a custom column and walk you through the whole process. So what's a custom column? So let's look at one of the examples. Let's take a commission report, for example. So if I edit this report, which has already been created, so there are multiple fields here provided by Shopify, and there might be some columns that you might need that will derive the value from these Shopify columns. So for example here, if you go to line items, let's say we want to calculate commission on top of the sales amount. So let's see the preview here. These have already been selected by me. So we've selected the order number, the create date, and the title of the product, and then the total price. But we wanted a commission column, which was not in Shopify. So what you can do is you can use data export to create this commission column. So here, when you come down to custom columns, you type in the name of the column, and then you type in the simple formula. Here it says D $sign into 1.1 into 0.2. So if you see here, so what this is doing is column A, B, C, D. So it's referring to column D, and it's calculating 20% of $10.82. So that is your custom column, and it automatically gets calculated to all your other orders. So that's one of our simple examples of how to create a custom column. And I'll show you another example, which is a little more complex one, but it will definitely help you with various other custom requirements. So there is another report we've created here called sales by channel. So when you edit this report, there are multiple channels through which your store can sell products. So for example, you have your Shopify store itself, and then you have Facebook store, then you have Twitter. You can use a buy button on Twitter, or you could use a buy button on Pinterest. So there's multiple channels, but currently there is no field in Shopify that will identify these different channels for you. So what we've done here is we've created a column called channel, and we've written a small code. So this Ruby code, what it does is it's checking your referring site data. So there is order number, quantity, and total price, and source name. And here what it's doing is it's referring your site data here, and which site the order is coming from. And then it's calculating whether it's a web-based, or is it POS, or if it's Facebook or Twitter or any other source from where your buy button is placed. So here what it's doing is this small piece of code is checking whether it's POS. If it's POS, it will return POS, or if there's Facebook in the URL, it will return Facebook or Pinterest or Twitter, or if there's nothing else, it will be web. So this will help you to see your sales by channel, and your inventories quantities that's been sold by channel. So it has multiple use cases. So this will be one of the benefits that you have using custom columns. Obviously, you don't need to know this code. We will make sure that our support team will be able to help you with setting up these custom columns. But we just wanted to explain and show you the capabilities of data export when it comes to custom columns. So also there is another option here where in the order fields, you can show the order placement here, and the order number being first, or if you want the SKU to be first, you can move it around. And here there is an option called hide field. So when you select these two, here it's been selected, you'll see a different shade here. It's got a darker tone, and what it means is it'll show in the preview, but when you download the data, you won't see this source name and the referring site column. So you will see only your channel column. So this is based on your convenience. So you can hide or show any number of columns that's here. So that's our custom column tutorial. And if you have any need for a custom column, please write to us at support@estoreautomate.com, or you can just talk to our representative on the chat window, and we'll be able to set up a custom column for you. Thank you.